Welcome back to Third Shift Crafts. Today we're firing up the Traeger and making something simple but delicious. Smoked pork chops with a perfect sear finish. We're keeping the seasoning classic today. Just kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, and paprika. This mix gives a nice color and a balanced flavor. Smoky, savory, and a little sweet from the paprika. I like to season both sides generously and let the chops sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before they hit the smoker. That helps the seasoning set and keeps the meat from going on ice cold. Outside, I've already got the Traeger preheated to 225 degrees. Once the grates are ready, I'll place the pork chops directly on and close the lid. Now these are on the thinner side, about 3/4 of an inch thick, so they won't take long. We're aiming for an internal temperature of 145, and that should take roughly an hour. After about an hour, the pork chops are temping right where we want them. I'll pull them off, cover them loosely in foil, and let them rest for about 20 minutes inside. Meanwhile, I'm getting the gas grill ripping hot for the sear. You could crank the heat up on the Traeger to sear as well, but honestly, I don't find it the best use of pellets, and the gas grill gets you that high heat much faster. After the chops have rested and the grill's preheated, it's time for the final step, the sear. We're just looking for that deep golden crust and a few grill marks. Nothing crazy. About 45 seconds to a minute per side is all it takes. The goal here isn't more cooking, just locking in that flavor and adding a bit of texture. And there you have it, smoked pork chops that are juicy on the inside, smoky through the middle, and perfectly seared on the outside. Pair them with some roasted potatoes or a grilled veggie side, and you've got an easy weeknight dinner that tastes like a weekend cookout. Thanks for watching Third Shift Crafts, crafted by hand, rooted in home.